Don't follow. I don't say every time when we don't come your TV screen. Now to concern you your church and things them. We concern baby and bobos them. Make it for the loss. The son now they show we call BOBOS YARN. And we done the same relationship since 2014. Make it for no loss, my people.
Can't
Today
lose.
a very, very sweet day for me. Obina mam krekre.
You don't go talk plenty because you know say we have to hurry up.
Obina mam krekre thereby. Please let my criminals introduce yourself.
Okay, I'll start first because Oshakara, I want to go first. Sorry.
No, I don't like come first.
Sorry, excuse me. Now you always come first, so don't worry.
I won't come later.
Shakara, you always come first. Come first now.
No.
You always come first now.
Okay. No. I am here.
Come first.
I am here with my boo because even the boo, she get a boo.
So you want to introduce the boo that has a boo? Okay, introduce the boo now after yourself.
No, I'll just introduce myself.
Yeah, introduce yourself.
Because they're too fine. If I face this side now, confused. I need no introduction now. Shakara in the building. And today it will be spoofy because they're too fine. I like where fine girls they. Yes, very beautiful.
Okay, the relationship for Canada, don't talk your own finish. The love doctor, aka showman, aka the daring, adventurous, naughty, irresistible, adventurous, loud personality on this planet Earth. We are in this bar with two amazing ladies. And you know how we do, and we must carry one go house. So there's no need for Shakarabi. Now, nobody who sit down with person.
No.
Nobody have to go sit down with them.
Greedy. This is what we do.
We go sit down. We go don't enjoy this.
Oh,
You hear that, ba? You are right. Your head is there.
shaking gala, shaking babes.
I beg, DJ, win it. Yes, on I don't see, say we get two spoofing, sexy, or to put them inside bar with us today. Now, this young ladies wanna see, so then they use voice scatter anywhere when they enter. Why are they talk say that they use voice scatter anywhere? Because then they sing east. When they open mouth, when they sing. Wow. This one a bunch of talents we say Nigerian markets need to really watch out for. On my right hand side, I get the one and only
Karina.
When I don't hear him, then a Karina for you now. On my left hand side,
That is my
Give
own.
home one. One over what is your name? Hey! Don't get to me, Jella.
No be Jela.
No be that one that me no.
Oh, I want to be a prisoner.
This guy, he doesn't like burglary method.
Oh.
Have your own, you like your cranking. Everything gets, jail gets that where they hold back. This guy.
Something in my dictionary I call Jide burglary name.
Okay.
Why?
She don't ask you,
When you
say okay.
it, oh blood of God.
She say okay.
Let's leave it like that.
You say what be that? You don't want to know that method. It's very, very. It is.
It is a cranking method.
These two people here.
Cranking.
Let me tell you about these two for a little bit.
Because they don't already know.
Why you dey private talk now?
The bell, the ring.
No bell, the ring.
No, don't worry. Let me explain. You see, these two, they have sex position where they like do. I'm the only virgin in this bar.
Really?
He is a burglary method. This one is silifan. If he hold you, your leg hang on the silifan. And that's
Okay, one minute. Do you like virgin?
Me, if I like virgins. No, I don't like virgins.
Okay.
No.
You?
Ow.
Do you?
I can be virgin. They can
Sorry.
be virgin.
Yeah, what did she talk? Do you know one do it in?
I don't want to suffer.
Yes, I beg. Una welcome.
I don't get
Now,
it.
we didn't really happy say una come join us inside back today. May really talk plenty on top of the matter. Now, una be women.
Yeah.
And the matter we want to talk about today, they very, very simple. And it concern una because we know say that una they very, very emotional when it comes to things of the heart. How person fit take find the missing rib?
That be the question.
Now the matter I want to talk about
You
today.
go check where you lost her.
So when they talk of missing ring, in our own term, when they talk and say, the love of your life, it's really compatible with you and all that. How you fit take find them, or how you fit take detect them? Say, okay, this particular person.
You know why? Because
the
the people before go further, we don't realize as men, say it's very hard to find your own. Before they say if you go store, supermarket, if you see your babe. Now we don't go church. We don't even see. We don't go everywhere. So, like now, we don't know whether amongst them now, One of them, you know, we don't know. So tell us, we want to like know.
The point we say you get to pray to Baba God because you know what happen. Some people they go carry another person missing. And be that.
So how you want to? No, hold on a second. So if I carry another person missing rib, what's it gonna happen?
Now market
you don't buy.
Why?
Buy my
Why?
Person go market, go buy the wrong thing.
You don't hit my car.
But they gonna say my own done better. That's how.
If your own better, that's basically where the back.
If your own better, now be say you don't see the real one. But if you go buy another person, so why you enter so now?
That means it's not hard to find the missing rib. The hard thing is how to find the right missing rib.
Right missing rib.
Right missing rib. Because it just be like you say this rib way miss so he miss inside somewhere. Other ones miss there too. So you go there go find the
You go find.
But you know Zakara, you get point. I also get one other formula where they always talk. Like I tell you, say, I believe in dating. Say if you dating for me in my own context, now like the American way you say you go get calendar. Monday I date you, tomorrow I date you. In the process, I feel crank you, you know. So like you now, I know say you don't crank many people.
Wait first, you know what you wanna go do? Make we toast to this drink so that our eye go open, so that as we come out here, we see
this guy is a bad girl. He's a bad girl.
Drink up so that your eye go play.
And that is clear. Hey, missing rib,
that means 5 ribs from this bar. Feel free.
It's a
Okay, break it up. The guys now I want to ask you now. When you see rib where they miss, you know they short it at your own. But you get one thing where this rib just do, where go make you feel say, man, bless it on my own. What be that one thing?
Now understand, you know, I lie.
I lie.
Now understand.
Let me tell you.
No, wait,
Let me.
you
know why? I don't agree.
Explain your
Now lie. Let me tell you. So you mean say if me and you date now, and money they involved, you go understand now. As a girl, if a man get money,
you understand because.
So why?
Yes.
Why? Make I ask you this question. Why they say those rich men wives then they go sleep with their gate men?
Nah, that one won't come to that. Go see. I want to talk something. Say you see, this is not about understanding. There is a level of which you crank a babe. Like now, you see, she don't look. You know, say, if for instance now, Shakara now, come they crank you, and I don't crank you before. You feel they call my name, even inside your heart, because you know, say my cranking was sweet. You understand?
Is it all about cranking?
Yeah, it's very key.
Because
it's very key.
Different from where you
come from. Now. I don't want this to be about now we go. Now be the understanding person. Always saying understanding.
But understanding is key.
It's
when
key.
you are doing something with the woman.
I experience them before. Now make me they talk them.
Let me tell you now. For instance, now as me and you there now, if I be your missing rib, how you want to take use understanding?
I want to take no. We'll go
talk
first.
So you don't understand.
Wait. Una no say some kind things. If they work out with spirit, you get as you go just see person now. Before you know, like your mind just love the person pieces.
Yeah.
Like even if the person slap you, you go still they say.
But that doesn't see me saying I'm missing rib.
No, sometimes it be. If you look well, now make I say.
But if not the mind where you use talk now, now be the real mind. No, like I did. Your mind just love me. That means the right mind though. But really, it can't be a wrong mind.
Another thing again where I did notice really when it comes to the things of the heart, and I say when you
say
deal with
be specific about this heart. Shaka don't make me
calm down.
Shaka don't make me. I don't feel the focus again.
The missing rib
issue. They talk about heart.
The missing rib issue. I no worry. I don't talk on the mind.
Okay.
Calm down.
Let's leave the things of the mind.
Of the mind is
the
there for the mind. Now, when it comes to things of the heart, you know, say it gets as you go take meet person. When we say within space of 1 week, you go feel say the person don't really know you. You don't understand.
Yes, it happen like
they talk
that.
for phone. They don't understand you. You know the next thing what you want to do. Then another thing again, I say some people where we say anything where you tell them, they don't forget them.
But I won't really
Always
ask
Yes.
Jella. I don't ask God. Do you really think say there's anything as mixing rib or say this one and this person are the person they really make for you?
Oh boy, I believe I'm.
Why? Why? Because I get my reason. I will answer you after you finish.
I believe am because the point we say, I don't see some couples where we say they don't marry, but the man go give them everything. The woman a very good woman, but my dear, they no just fit marry because no be their own be that. No matter how they try to stay together, some things they go wrong. Now make her they tell una say, it better make you carry water, wash your eye first before
that you go look
find
well.
well.
But why I want to tell you my own point is, you see, for instance now, you marry person where you claim so that you're missing rib, she die. You go still marry another person.
You go marry another person.
Yes,
now.
now.
So
marry
the person,
another
if you
person
die
missing rib be
again,
that now.
if you die again,
marry.
you marry another one again. So what are you telling me?
No,
May God
maybe
forgive
you're
you with that. Clean your mouth because me, I don't want to experience any diet.
No, you can't.
Clean your mouth.
Go. She dey tell you say she won't marry me, so she won't die. You shall not die.
You hear when she talks, say she no want suffer. Evil vision. They don't need visions.
I will practice
Please
with
let
you.
us do. I don't go on the street.
settle
When
on
we
that
come
outside.
back, we still continue the matter, and Bobos are not go anywhere.